Unlocking football transfers, the big data revolution. In the fast-paced world of football, the days of relying solely on gut feelings and traditional scouting are long gone. Today, clubs around the globe are harnessing the power of big data to revolutionize how they buy and sell players. This data-driven approach allows teams to forecast player performance, evaluate potential signings, and negotiate deals with unprecedented accuracy. From analyzing on-field behavior to tracking a player's performance over multiple seasons, big data is reshaping the transfer landscape. But this transformation isn't just for the elite clubs like Manchester City or Bayern Munich. Even smaller teams and emerging challengers are jumping on the data bandwagon to gain a competitive edge. As data collection methods become more sophisticated and accessible, the ability to leverage this information effectively can mean the difference between discovering a hidden gem and missing out on a star player. Hashtag the algorithms behind modern scouting. At the heart of this data revolution are complex algorithms that sift through vast amounts of information. These systems analyze data from thousands of matches across domestic leagues, international tournaments, and youth academies. By employing advanced analytics, clubs can gain insights into player performance metrics such as expected goals, XG, distance covered, pressing frequency, and even psychological resilience. Clubs are now complementing traditional scouting with machine learning algorithms that identify patterns in performance data. For instance, an AI might assess a promising 19-year-old Belgian midfielder and draw comparisons to a young Kevin De Bruyne, highlighting his explosive style and decisive play. But the analysis doesn't stop at performance stats. Clubs also delve into a player's injury history, lifestyle choices, and how well they might fit into various tactical systems. Fans, too, are getting in on the action, engaging with advanced statistics on their devices, similar to how betting platforms provide an F-match data for analysis. The data ecosystem is expanding rapidly, touching every corner of the sport. Hashtag beyond talent. Predicting player movement. When it comes to predicting player transfers, big data goes beyond just spotting talent. It's about timing. Clubs need to know when a player is most likely to leave their current team and which clubs are poised to buy or sell in the upcoming transfer window. This requires thorough analysis of contract lengths, agent activities, market trends, and historical data. With big data, clubs can even assess the market volatility of players. For example, a forward who has just enjoyed a breakout season might be overpriced if the data doesn't indicate consistent improvement. Conversely, a consistently high-performing defender stuck in a struggling team could represent incredible value. Additionally, clubs monitor social media, news articles, and public sentiment to gather insights. Natural language processing (NLP) tools analyze player quotes to gauge sentiment, which, when combined with performance data, can help forecast potential transfers. Hashtag the metrics that matter most in transfers. Here's a closer look at the key metrics that clubs rely on to predict and evaluate transfers. Data category: what it measures. Transfer insight provided. Performance analytics: goals, assists, duels won, passing success determines on-field contribution and consistency. Physical data: sprint speed, injury risk, endurance assesses fitness level and availability. Tactical compatibility: positional tendencies, formations used identifies system fit with current team style. Psychological profiles: focus, aggression, teamwork, evaluates mentality and training behavior. Market behavior: transfer history, agent activity, contract data predicts likelihood and timing of potential moves. The result? A comprehensive understanding of not just who a player is, but how and when they might seamlessly integrate into a new club environment. Hashtag how clubs use social and digital indicators. Surprisingly, a player's online behavior can provide valuable clues about potential transfers. Scouts no longer need to wait for players to shine on the pitch. Subtle digital signals, like unfollowing a club on social media, liking posts from rival teams, or using ambiguous language in interviews, can all hint at a player's intentions. As data analytics gain traction in sports, several professional clubs are merging player statistics with digital activity monitoring. AC Milan and RB Leipzig, for example, have implemented youth data analytics programs that keep tabs on players' social media interactions. These indicators can reveal early signs of a player's dissatisfaction or readiness to make a move. Platforms like Instagram are becoming popular among football fans and analysts alike, allowing them to track these digital patterns. Whether it's subtle hints about transfers or emerging youth talent, The intersection of data and social media is becoming increasingly significant. Hashtag just one list. What makes big data essential in transfers? Let's summarize why data has become a game-changer in modern football recruitment. Faster talent identification. Data helps clubs spot promising players before their competitors do. Reduced risk. Predictive models can flag injury-prone or system-incompatible athletes. Smarter negotiations. Accurate valuations help avoid overpaying or underbidding. Improved scouting reach. Clubs can discover leagues and players that were previously off their radar. Timing optimization. Data aids in forecasting the ideal moment to buy or sell. Hashtag the future of football transfers. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it's not far-fetched to imagine clubs simulating entire careers for players before making decisions. Picture predicting that a young left-back has a 70% chance of becoming a national team starter in 4 years. This could soon be a reality. Clubs are also beginning to form data-sharing partnerships, pooling anonymized data to gain broader insights while maintaining competitive secrecy. Blockchain technology may even play a role, creating immutable records of player statistics and trade histories. While we may not fully automate the scouting process just yet, the emotional intelligence, cultural fit, and personality assessments still require a human touch. Those scouts equipped with cutting-edge tools will transform the art of talent spotting into a powerful predictive strategy, forever changing the landscape of football transfers.